Roblox virus.
But this challenge is going to be the hardest because we can't jump.
Yeah. So challenge starts in 3, 2, 1. In today's video, we are going to do 2v2s against random people.
And so yeah, let's start. Let me. Yeah, where are you?
Bro, where are you? Come here.
Okay, guys, we can't jump.
This is an we laugh.
Guys, by the way, I changed my avatar. Rated out of 10.
Yeah. Why don't you change your face?
I like it. I like my glowing eyes. Guys, as you can
This is
see.
gonna be an easy match, I guess.
I guess yeah, sure.
I'll do sandbox.
We should not take some maps that we have to jump.
Oh wait, yeah. No! Arena is all about jumping.
Wait, well I can fly with my grenade launcher. I'm basically not jumping.
That counts as jump.
So I can't even fly.
Yeah, you can't fly. You have to be on the ground, and they can shoot you from there.
I can't use subspace strip mine either.
No.
Bro.
Oh my god. Nah,
Bruh.
he killed me with a knife.
Minigun! Minigun!
Oh, he's
I died.
knifing. Okay, I'm also gonna knife because knife is really good for ground.
I'll use my minigun. I will be a minigun spammer today, guys. I bought the minigun.
Nice.
Well, it cost me a lot of Robux, but who cares?
Bad at it.
Shut up, girl. I got one girl with the ring.
Her name is Ruby.
Bro, they are just trash if they lose to
How do I
us.
go there? I need to jump. Oh wait, can I use? Oh wait, dagger is for double jump. Why did I even take dagger?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking right
No,
now.
I'll use it to shoot. I'll spam with my dagger. Help, 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 help. Now I'm gonna die. This guy is gonna kill me. Yeah.
I headshotted it.
Bro!
Bro!
He killed his bull!
With the knife.
Okay, he's... Okay, I need to use my RPG and spam him now.
I can't even jump. It's so annoying.
Oh wait! If I use my ball, it makes me jump, but that means I'm out.
Yeah.
No, that is bad.
Oof, you died.
Where was he? He just aim, good. He's gonna knife you. Bro!
Bro!
I said he's gonna knife you.
Minigun is hard to move with because it's heavy. What if I take...
Why are you using a
Wait.
minigun?
Flamethrowers would be better for ground.
Yeah, use flamethrower. There's no way this guy is literally defeating us.
And I can't even jump far.
Yeah, I do not allow you to win.
Burn! Buddy, burn! Burn to death! Let's go! I burned him to death!
Oh wait, if I kill someone in the RPG and my RPG sends me flying, what's gonna happen?
Yeah, you will be out, girl, I guess.
Bro, how do I kill them? I have to kill him with a shot. Okay, I do this.
Flamethrower is WIs. You die!
Bro, don't show your back to this guy.
Die! Yeah, I burned him to death! Let's go!
Guys,
Not gonna lie, flamethrower is kinda W, guys. W flamethrower in the chat. Ooh. What about ooh? What about?
this guy is not good. This
Ooh,
guy.
you're gonna die today, bro. You're gonna burn to death. You're gonna die. Ooh, I guess you died. Ooh, brother, bye bye.
Bro, why didn't it give me an assist?
I died. I killed him with my flamethrower.
Please leave some kills for
No.
me. Bro,
Flamethrower is WIs. Use the flamethrower or V's. Bruh.
help.
Bro, no. I can't see him. Here we see. Kill stealer.
Yeah. Bro, you literally stole every kill. I only have 2 kills.
Holy Apatron.
I only have
Sounds like a you problem. You ain't good at this. Can you stop running? Guys, I just jumped. I jumped once.
You're cheating! I was supposed to get the kill! No!
Bruh, I only took 670 damage. 6, 7.
Wait, if we jump right now, do we lose?
Yeah, I guess.
I wanna jump.
Same, bro.
Where are
Let me add you to my party and then we can just party invite. And then we can just play Todos. Are you in my party?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Wait, your friend joined us.
Why did you challenge me to a duel?
OG cat joined you.
I ain't talking to you. I ain't talking to you. Get out. Guys, this guy was begging me for Robux like a million times.
Two.
Cat Neuer.
Oh, do you know him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now come.
Me. Fine. Bro, put the 2v2s.
Come. Bro, no. Come here.
Fine, where?
Come here.
Okay, let him come. Let him
But
come.
he's good. Oh no, this is gonna be a tough match.
We can't jump also, bro.
Okay, then I guess one match. Oh wait, if I do splash, we're going to be.
You know what? I'll make him jealous by my pay-to-win weapons. I'll use flamethrower against him.
Okay, we got cross.
And like, this is a very jumpy map. But we can go on the trampoline. Yeah, we can go on the trampoline. Or that would be cheating.
I think that's the thing. Definitely going jumping, but sure.
No, that's not jumping. Basically, that is.
But we cannot jump except that.
Sure. Whoa, ha. Yo, bro. Yo, how you doing, sir? Bye bye. Bye bye. Die to death. Burn. Ooh. Bye bye. I killed him with my flamethrower. No.
Now he's sniping you.
Wobbly goobly. Wobbly goobly trimply. What if I do? What if I do? Can you
You
see?
cannot jump.
I do know that.
It's kind of hard. He went all the way over there.
Yeah.
Just use something. Okay.
Oh my god, guys, I was about to jump, but I did not.
I saw you jump.
Well, I did not. I jumped. What?
And, oh my god, that was a jump scare.
Well, I did not jump. I got jump scared, but I did not jump. Bro, how the nose pop? No. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. I guess I'm a W guy. I'm a W. Okay. In this, I have to use minigun. Because, yeah, I want to make my
Oh,
friend
wait, you
jealous.
gotta jump up these.
What I can't jump on? I did not even. How can I climb? Oh, wait, I just climbed. Bro.
It's like harder. How do I come up here? Okay. Oh, now you're ready to go. Done.
Bro, thanks. Planks, bro. Planks.
You were on really low. You were really low.
You know what? I'll just snipe.
Come down.
Come from down. I want to jump, bro. Guys, I don't know how are we doing this, but I guess we are really good at this.
Oh, he died by his own.
Wow, let's go. Bro, I died.
Oh,
Now, you know what? Bet.
this reminds me of one time when you were trying to climb it and I killed you.
Okay, guys, if you want to watch our first video, that was our first video of Rivals.
Yeah. What is this guy doing here? Revenge time. Oh wait, he's gonna use katana.
Oh, I died with a katana, but he's behind.
Help! Shenanigans. It's shenanigans.
And
Yes!
They're like, bruh, bruh, bro, bruh.
I'm pretty sure he's like rage baiting right now.
He's like so toxic.
I think.
Yeah, like I care about that, bro. I died. Bro, he's trying to teabag me. Bro!
Why do I have to do a 1v2?
Why not? You have full health. Nice, bro. You, bro, you're so good. Let's go, girl. Guys.
3 kills, by the way.
Like I care, yappity yap.
Oh my god, why do we even getting the same spawn point?
I don't know. Bruh.
This guy's gonna get a headshot. Oh! He's really good with the sniper, not gonna lie. Oh my god, they both were sniping! Wait, we can't let them clutch back. We have to kill them.
I guess I'm back to my flamethrower. Cause that's what I'm
Okay,
good
yeah,
at.
he's about to get 4v2 and he's
So
like,
bad?
So bad. Yeah, I think you're so bad. Like,
Bad.
ugly ass.
Bro, chill. You can't swear. You literally cannot swear, bro.
Sorry. Wait, he's sniping!
Azim, bro. Azim.
He's dead!
Ah!
Oh my god, what is wrong with you? No, they're about to clutch.
You know
what?
what?
You said no.
You know what? You know what?
Yeah, we can't go easy on them.
What you said? N. He was like, what do you say? Maybe like N.
Yeah, you're gonna get sniped. Oh my god, what is wrong with this guy? No, please kill him. No!
Bro!
No! We cannot let them win. We cannot let them win. No.
It's down.
This has to be our winning moment. I cannot lose to this guy. Now he's sniping. How did he snipe when I was hiding? No, we died. Yeah, I think we lost the match. Because you're gonna die in some seconds. I'll smell that.
What if I don't?
Then, let's see.
Come on.
What was that? Kill him, please!
Can this dude stop running?
He's a runner.
No! No!
Rematch.
Nah, bro, rematch. They left.
My
Great.
streak of 1 day. One win streak. Okay, yeah, come
Yeah, come in. Come again, bro.
Come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Oh, he's emoting on us now.
Nah. Get over here. Shreya, get over here.
He said, hope you lose.
Bro, can this dude just come? Bro, just come here. Oh, nah. Nah.
I know this guy. I played with him once. He's really good.
No! This guy would destroy us.
Oh, hell nah. We lost. Let's admit that we lost.
Do splash. I alone did splash.
But if we do splash, it's just gonna make us jump. You forgot that.
About
And if
that.
we go on the water, it makes us jump. And if we go on that thing, it makes us jump. Yeah, we lost this. I can feel it. I can feel it. This guy.
Oh, yeah, girl. Good girl.
Oh my god, please not go on the water.
Oh! Trick shot. I was like, yup. I do it. Not gonna lie, kinda good. Like a channel.
Good auto. Oh, the bro is just jealous. I mean, that's true, but just jealous.
Do I care? Oh, I died.
died. Who I
look like
No, I can kill this guy.
look like I
He's
can.
bad. He's bad. Oh!
Oh my god, Shreya, you're just like, come on, Shreya, you can do it, babe. Bruh, you're.
How did he kill me that close? No. He's hacking.
You know what? Watch me open auto.
Okay, I'll watch you. Open it.
Bro just died.
How do I go up?
Bad auto. Oof. I'm on the. Oof.
What? How do you keep on doing medium shots?
Bro, he was like, let me show you my auto. We be like, bad auto.
Yeah, this guy's on the race.
Bruh, he katana'd me. How are you bad at auto with one shot? This
I don't
katana.
know how to do one shots. I just do not do headshots really well.
You're trash with headshots, not gonna lie.
Yeah, but I'm with 50 shots.
And I got a OG cat.
Yeah, the other guy.
Bro, this dumb katana.
Yeah, he's just spamming his katana. Why do you even use it when you know? Oh, he's gonna do katana. We have to do something else.
Go with shorty. Come on. Oof.
What the hell? How did my shorty do that? No, that was good.
Sniper auto,
Okay.
thanks.
You know, if you use auto, it's gonna be for every weapon, not for one. This guy is dumb. Oh, I almost touched the water.
I got OG cat again.
Hello. This guy loves his katana. I don't think he'll live without it. Help! Why you're jumping?
Bro, we can't do it without that in this map.
So that's why. Nah, you lost one round.
Bro, nah. And then I bet you also jumped.
I didn't.
Oh, sure.
I didn't.
He's
He's saying, oh, I see. What do you see? Ice cream. I love ice cream.
Did you 50 him?
Okay, I'm jumping.
Bro, this dumb katana. And my auto shoot does also not stop. Come on, shorty, you can do it. By the way, it's packet.
Okay, I have to use my shorty and I have to jump for the round. Okay, this guy is alive.
You do not have to jump, bro. You're not allowed. Now you're just cheating and lost.
Bro, it's not my problem. I have to do 1v2 against really good guys.
Holy Apatron.
Okay, can you stop? Shut up. Oh, wait. Why are you getting such...
Bro, now I thought he would katana, so I was off guard.
Okay, these good guys I cannot defeat. One is jumping from the other side, one is jumping from the other side.
Come on, Shreya. I believe in you.
I believe I can fly.
But I hope you can.
See, I cannot do it. Why do you keep on dying? Do not go there.
You know what? What if I use katana?
Oh yeah. Use it.
Do it, child.
Use the katana. Katana man.
No, I died. Yo, let's go. OG cat killed me, but you killed him. Come on, Shreya, you can do it. No. Don't stay off guard. Don't stay off guard. Don't stay off guard. Stop playing with your shorty. Play with your dumb sniper. Come on, Shreya. Come on. Do not make me disappoint. Don't make me disappoint.
Help!
Bro!
He was using energy pistol. What was I supposed to do?
You dumb.
How
Rematch.
am I supposed to win my energy pistol?
Guys, I guess we lost this challenge very bad, so I guess that's it for the video. Bye.